Yo, uh, you actually, if you want to learn how to trade Forex, you actually don't need to buy Forex courses, these expensive Forex courses, guys. As I said, me, when I started trading Forex, I didn't buy any Forex courses. I did not spend my money on any Forex courses. As you know, these Forex mentors, these Forex gurus, they are selling you these expensive uh, Forex courses promising you to make more money or to be rich. Guys, there's no such a thing, guys. There's no such a thing. You also don't need a mentor to know how to trade Forex, guys. Me, as an example, I don't have a mentor. I did not buy any Forex courses, guys. So, today, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dangeni once again. So, I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to talk about why you don't need Forex courses to in order for you to learn how to trade Forex. And I'm going to give you four platforms, four websites that you can trade, that where you can learn how to trade Forex now. And number four is investing.com. Investing.com it's having it's having markets. The markets that you can learn, indices, stocks, commodity, cryptocurrency, currencies, ETF, funds, bonds, and certificates. As you can see here, guys, major indices, watch list. Here is where you can learn how to add your watch list in crypto, market news, guys, financial news, guys. Analysis. Here is where you can learn how to analyze, learn from other big forex traders or traders. Here are the charts. Here are the charts, guys. Real-time charts. Technical. Here is where you can learn how to use technical analysis, guys. Technical summary, technical analysis, pivot points, moving average, indicators, candlestick patterns, guys. Everything is available here. Brokers. Now, here is where you can choose the right brokers now, because here brokers are also there are those ones that are nice, that are having 4 stars ratings, 3 stars, or 5 stars. Tools, guys, tools. Tools like economic calendars, holiday calendars, earning calendars, and stuff like that. Academy. Here is where you can join their academy and webinars, trading guides, and terms, guys, and more. So, guys, as I said, you don't have to pay anything to learn how to trade Forex. Everything is available on the internet, guys. You just have to have that mindset of searching for information. Where you don't understand, you look for information on the internet. Free information is available here, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment down below. Comment down below, guys, if you have anything that you want to discuss with me. So, uh, here, guys, technical analysis, guys. Check here, guys. Check here. All the information is available here. Real time financial markets, guys. Regulated brokers. As I said, guys. So this is number four. Now let's go back to number three. Platforms or website where you can learn Forex for free is TradingView. As you can see here, I'm on their website here. There is products, super charts. These are the charts, guys. Those are the charts. These are the charts where you can learn how to do your technical analysis, where you can add your moving averages, where you can add many things. Screeners, heat maps, economic calendars, guys, economic overview, live stream, trade ideas, education ideas, script, markets, market overview, countries, sparks, stocks, cryptocurrency, forex, indices, futures, bonds, and world economy. News, here is where you can find news, guys. Corporate news, global markets, market analysis, brokers. This is where you can find also highly rated brokers, guys. Uh, brokers that are highly rated and that are regulated, guys. So as you can see, you can find a lot of things here on this website. You can learn. Here are the charts, guys. Here are the charts. On the paid version, but there is a paid version where you can have multiple charts on the same computer, but then I won't advise you, if you're a beginner, I won't advise you to go for that one now. Just go for that one chart. That one chart. So I'm currently on a paid version, which is a pro, but that one, as a beginner, as I said, don't go for that one. Just stick with the one that is a free, guys. Here are the charts, guys. Here are the charts. Streams. News flows, guys. These are the news, guys. Community trends now. US stocks, Guinness, crypto, community, trade ideas, guys. As you can see here, Euro JPY, buy Euro JPY. As you can see here, they are saying buy Euro JPY. As you can see, this is the technical analysis. Now this is Euro USD. They are saying sell Euro USD. As you can see, here you can learn a lot of things, guys. You can learn a lot of things. There's a lot of things, educational ideas, guys. These are the educational ideas. Now these are the market structures now. Bullish order block and bearish order block and stuff like that, bruh. Everything is available here, bruh, guys. You just have to have that mindset of searching for ideas, guys. Look for ideas that are more valuable, guys. These are the brokers, guys. There's a lot of information that you can learn. So this one is number 3, guys. Stick around, guys. Stick around and watch until the video ends, so that you can get the best, the last two websites where you can get all the information, guys. So this is number 4 now. This is number 4. Now let's get back to the number. Now let's go back to the number 2, guys. Number 2 is YouTube, guys. Number 2 is YouTube. Most of the Forex, I have learned a lot of information about Forex on YouTube, guys. That is where I gained most of, let me say, like 60% of the knowledge that I have today. I got it from YouTube for free. I didn't pay anything. What I have to do is just have an internet or Wi-Fi and stuff like that. If I have data, enough data, guys. Get information from YouTube, guys. YouTube information on YouTube is for free, guys. You can also subscribe on my channel, because I drop videos every weekend, and in the middle of the week I drop valuable information about Forex trading every weekend or in the middle of the week, guys. You can subscribe, like the video, share that, comment down below, guys. So here is our second website where you can learn Forex trading for free, guys. ICTs, guys, support and resistance, trend lines, and others, guys. You can learn a lot of things here on YouTube, guys. You can learn. There are multiple strategies, guys. Just choose one that you are comfortable with. Stick with it. Stick with it until you are comfortable, guys. I'm not saying you must just go there and run around and get a lot of information, guys. Just get one that you like, that you are comfortable with, and learn, master it, backtest it until you are successfully profitable, and then that is where you can go and trade live. I suggest you create a demo account on one of the brokers that you choose, and you backtest the strategy that you have learned, let me say for 3 or 4 months, and watch what is your win rate according to your backtesting now. And that is where you can now go into the live market and trade live, guys. ICT is available here. Trend line strategy, SMC, support and resistance, guys. There's other blocks and other stuff, guys. There's a lot of valuable information here from traders around, but you have to choose. You have to be careful, guys. You have to be careful with YouTube, because not all the traders that you can trust here. Some of these people on YouTube, they are YouTubers. They don't know how to trade, but they will give you information about Forex. Some of them, they know nothing. Some of them, they don't know what they are talking about. I know a lot of people. I won't mention names, but there are people that you can trust. There are people that you can trust, like the like this guy, Doyle Exchange. This guy, Doyle Exchange. You can trust these guys. These are the guys that know what they are talking about. The Hana Forex, ICT, huh? ICT guys. The ICT, the guy that came up with ICT, meant Forex. These are the guys that you can trust, guys. Michael Bampa, guys. This guy is based from UK. So those are the guys that you Falcon FX guys. Those are the guys that you can trust, that knows what they are talking about. Some of these forex gurus, they are just here for likes, for views, likes and views. That's it. They don't know. They are not actually trading the market, guys. So now let's get back to this is our number two. This is our number two, guys. This is our number two platforms or website where you can learn forex trading for free. Here is our our number one platforms where you can learn forex for free, guys. It's babypips.com. Babypips.com. Everything is available here, guys. Everything forex and crypto for beginners, guys. Everything is available here on this website. Everything is available for free. You don't have to pay anything, guys. There's webinars, news, tradings, for learn forex, guys. Learn crypto, forums, calendar, tools, and market stuff, bruh. Guys, everything is available here, as you can see. So here you just sign in and join for free. You don't have to pay a single cent to be part of this. So there's too many things: economical calendars, forex calculators, and everything, guys. Currency strength, forex market snapshot, top forex market movers, currency heat map, crypto heat map, and everything, guys. Everything is available on this website, guys. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. So it's having a course. It's having a free course. It's having a free course where you can learn here how to learn forex, guys. It's having a lot of things. Now here is a school of pipsology, guys. So here you can learn. Here it's where you can enter in the thing like a school. Like for me, I completed 1.168 of 361. I still have more to learn, but for now, I'm done. So it's having quiz. Once you go through, it's having something like an exam or a quiz where you will be asked questions of what you have learned, guys. Of what you have learned. So it's having a lot of things, guys. Candlestick formation, support and resistance, Japanese candlestick, Fibonacci, moving average, popular chart indicators, guys. Everything is available here. You just sign up and join for free, guys. Heikenashi, Elliott wave, harmonic price patterns, everything is available here. It's having a full course that you can even study for 6 or even 3 months, guys. This one you have to take it serious, guys. This one you have to take it serious. Every info is available here. And if you want to see nice videos about what you have learned, just go on YouTube and you search for those things. Or you can even check on Google also. You can also check on Google just to find more information. If the information that you are looking for is not available on this website, you go on YouTube or Google, and then you just Google for that information. It's also available there. So, guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below, guys. So, this is why you shouldn't buy a forex course. This is why you shouldn't buy a forex course. Don't spend your hard-earned money to buy these funny forex courses, guys. You know those guys, these forex gurus, they just want money from you, guys. They want more money from you. That's why their forex courses, they are very expensive. There are only few people that you can trust on YouTube and other platforms, guys. Those ones that are selling courses. I won't advise you to go buy forex courses. So, guys, bye, guys.